Good morning, my Jeep update. Still Thursday morning, no, excuse me, September 1st, 2022. And while waiting on parts for the differential, a shim kit to be specific, I'm doing some side work, something I've been putting off for a long time. I had issues with some electricals, you know, some door locks and windows not working, so I opened up this boot, pulled these wires out, and this is what I found. In a lot of YouTube videos, they're finding the same thing. People have already worked on them, so you can see where they've done some splicing. You got some different wires in here. So what I'm going to do is a lot of these wires, you know, running back and back into here, they look pretty good, but what I'll do is I'll inspect everything, and this side of the harness on this side, let me see, I'll look at it too, but I really don't think there's any issues with it. And what I'll do is after I get this rewired, before I boot it back, I cut the boot, you can see that, it looks pretty ragged, but what I'll do is before I button everything back up, I'll hook my door panel back up right here, and I'll see what works and what doesn't work. And see, I could have an issue with a switch, and there could be some issues with switches in these other doors. You know, that passenger door over there has got a major switch in it that handles a lot of things. So I'll be checking that too. I don't think this is going to solve all the issues, but it may take care of some. Anyway, I'm going to rewire this, and I'll try to do it to the best I can. I've got solder kits, I've got you know, all kind of connectors, solder connectors, you name it. I bought a lot of stuff, and I haven't even used some of it, so there's really no excuse. So that'll be something I'll be working on when I don't have nothing else to do and I'm going to continue working on this today, and I'll get an update on it later. And that's my Jeep out. And good evening, it's about 4:30, September 1st, 2022, and this is on my Jeep update, and I'm getting ready to button things up here before they park the Red Sea. I really haven't done a whole lot. I know I say that all the time, but really that's the truth. Just piddling on this door harness here. Oh yes, and look what arrived in the ones that I destroyed.
We're taking bets. How long it'll take you to mess them up?
I'll be working on that again probably tomorrow. Anyway, I've been working on my door harness, and I've been doing a little work here, and you see, really this is more cosmetic than anything, but it may add a little protection. This door speaker wire, I went ahead and put some loom on it, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to put any more loom on here yet because I want to check all these wires out and make sure, find out what's working and what's not working. And I've already sprayed everything with CRC electronic cleaner, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to get everything, get all my let's see, while I'm in here I'm gonna recheck all my fuses, these relays and stuff, and I'm gonna pull them, and I'm gonna clean spray all the plugs and the relays, and same thing with the everything that's electronics gonna get sprayed. Gonna get the CRC treatment. Okay, and that's what I'm working on now. I may pick this up and do some more work on it before I get to my back on my differential. Sorry, I'll turn the lights out. Sorry about that, guys. Turn the lights out. Oops. Okay, but anyway, that's a My Jeep update for September 1st. Out for now. Lights out. Uh-oh. Get buttoned up and get out of here. Run for cover.